Hey everyone, David Hirschhorn with CRP Automotive here. If you're watching this video, chances are you've been there and done that when it comes to auto repair. But even experienced repair technicians run across jobs or issues that they've never seen before. When you order a steering system part from AAE, such as this EPS rack for CRVs, installation guidelines are included. As you can see here, we provide step-by-step guidelines. We even include a special note that the torque sensor in the rack is temperature sensitive, a handy tip passed on to us by our Innovation Council members. And if you don't have a J2534 device that's required for this install, we also provide a suggestion on which one to buy. Have a question about this rack or any other AAE parts? Just post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.